once again. Today we are going to talk about why does the data path cycle have a huge impact on the CPU performance. Okay, so now as we start, let's know what a data path cycle is. A data path cycle is a stage in the data path of a computer or laptop that performs a specific operation, such as instruction fetch, decode, execute, or write back. Each stage of the data path operates simultaneously, okay, allowing the CPU to handle multiple instructions at once. The data path is a section of the CPU that's made up of interconnected functional units, such as arithmetic logic unit, ALU, registers, and buses. I think these three things I just mentioned now, I explained them earlier in the first video. The control unit sends signals to the data path to schedule the order of operation. As we proceed, the data path cycle has a significant impact on a CPU's performance because it manages the flow of information between the CPU and other components in the system. So as we move on, we are now going to the steps or some of the reasons why the data path cycle have a huge impact performance of the CPU. First of all, efficient data transfer. A well-optimized data path assures that data is transferred quickly and efficiently, which reduces bottlenecks and improves system responsiveness. Meaning, this data path cycle helps data transfer to be quick and easy, or let's say as fast as well, which helps to prevent time waste, right? It helps us to prevent time waste. We don't waste much time to transfer data. Okay, so our next step is quick access to data. A well-managed data path allows for quick access to store information on devices like hard drives or SSDs. Since the data path cycle we are classifying as, or we want to know why it has a huge impact of the CPU performance, is the quick access to data. Meaning it has helped us in a way that we are able to store information on hard drives or SSD for retrieval to be easy for us so that we can get access to it very easily without wasting much time or stressing ourselves. Okay, then seamless data flow. The data paths components such as registers, buses, multiplexers, and the arithmetic logic unit work together to enable seamless flow of data and execution of instructions. Moving to our last point, data bus width. A wider data bus means more data can be transferred between internal components simultaneously, which improves processor performance. Meaning, when there is a wider data bus, data can be transferred between internal components simultaneously. There can be exchange of data between a data component so easily. Okay, which also helps not to delay time. All right. Okay. The efficiency of the data path that connects the CPU to other components is crucial for determining the overall performance of the CPU. For example, as we stated earlier in our last point, the weight of the data bus affects how much data can be transferred between the CPU and the memory in a single operation. A wider data bus can significantly enhance data transfer since data transfer between a wider data bus components operates simultaneously. Okay, thank you.